Hey guys, we're back. but really, we're back.
We're back.
All right, you gotta get the footage. Okay.
I got you.
Yeah. You get it nice and close too.
Yeah, get nice and close. Yeah.
I can see why Caleb liked this. It's pretty fun.
It's certainly more fun than trenching, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm not going to be doing that for another year, hopefully.
What? What company are you working with?
How's that new hat? It's nice.
It's nice. Custom fitted. Hey, what's happening, guys? We're back in Toronto, back on site. Today we got ourselves a beautiful day. It's gonna get a little bit humid and sticky later, but right now it's pretty cool and breezy. Nice working conditions. Today the plan is to work on this curb. So we got this skid of this beautiful natural stone curb, and that's going to be going in the ground today. We got to do a little bit of prep work for it. Hopefully we get most of it in today. Quinn's back. Hey Quinn. Rob's back.
Morning.
Morning, Rob.
Got a haircut.
Rob got a haircut. I also got a haircut.
We're like twinsies now.
Rob's just gonna get this all fixed up here. We got that curb running along here, and then along this whole bed here as well. So that's the plan for today. How's the digging going, Quinn?
Pretty good.
Quinn's sporting his fresh dynamic terrain hat.
Yep, brand new.
Got this dug down. It's almost like digging another trench, eh, Quinn?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You don't sound excited. I don't blame you. Rob's fighting the pavers over here.
Yep.
It's a real battle. Trench is coming along. We're digging this down about well, let's see, I think about 8 inches. Yep. About 8 inches down. And then we'll get about 5 inches of base in here. And then three inches of that curb will be in the ground. So should hold up nice. And they're big 46-inch pieces, and each piece is about 150 pounds plus, so shouldn't be going anywhere. Yeah, a beautiful day today too. Humid. Supposed to feel close to 30. We got some height set up. Once again, I'm short on quarter chip, so I gotta run out and grab some. We got a young buck on cleanup. And Rob's around the other side, finishing off some pavers. This job is taking forever. I was hoping to be wrapped up by Tuesday, but now I think we're gonna need an extra day. There might be also a couple extra things he wants to get done, so hopefully the extra day will be worth their while. We'll see. Thank you, sir. You too. We're all dug out. Gravel's going in. I'm setting up the heights. This is all ready here. Nice.
There's some nails in the bucket that are loose that fell.
Rob's got this big ass crate open up.
It's the cradle of life.
I think we'll make this the front.
Just as you put the other side.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, these aren't bad.
No, not at all.
Stuff in there. All right.
Okay, got a little more over.
That's okay.
Small adjustments. I'll make moves. Shadow out of the way. This side front?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. You doing good now?
Or no, maybe this side.
Yeah,
This
that's
side.
the one, Rob. You go. Well,
I gotta get my leg right. I know, I just had to get my leg right.
you know. I knew it. Okay, you have to. You want to step over or? Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay, don't. Can't swear.
Oh. You're gonna get demonetized, huh?
There's no monetizing. This is all graded to here. Boys are filling in this trench. Just about there.